Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at spring break and came here with some friends. This is the area, you can see. Still waiting for more people to come, and you can check this location. Some families enjoying here. See the sitting area, nice with benches and all. And there's also some waterfall ahead. We need to do little hiking and check. But this is a refreshing place for kids to enjoy on. So we have found benches over here. You can get another look from this side. Look at the beautiful view, so pretty. Oh wow, wow, waterfall. Niagara Fall. And now we are at Ghost Lake. It's so calming and quiet.